paano sa list ba?
Party,
Audience.
Christmas, celebration,
Audience.
Ay, Tagalog.
English na, English. Christmas na.
Doon pag dinawala niyo, ito sa atin na.
Second word, tika.
Yan na?
Audience.
Second word.
I-acting nyo rin?
Oo. Dapat pa ganun para madali.
Choir? Choir? Children?
Children.
Children? Third word.
Bawal si MJ! Bawal si MJ!
Oras.
Mataya ka eh!
Parol.
We have the word.
Star. House. Neighbor.
Neighbor.
Haunted house.
Building. Earth. Planet.
1 minute!
Universe.
1 minute!
Neighbor. Old house. House. Haunted house.
Shake, rattle, and roll. A house affair. Home sweet home.
Oras.
Them.
40 seconds!
We are the world.
May house eh. May
State of the gangster.
Sounds like yan, pag ganun sounds like yan.
Build.
30 minutes, 30 seconds, 35,
Bye ni Lola.
English eh.
20 seconds,
Ang namin yan, oo.
15 seconds, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Still. Well, yes lang. Still.
Against the world.
You and me against the world.
No! Galing!